Hey, hello guys, this is SRINIVAStheDEVELOPER from the Developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of 29 August 2021. Here this is the problem they have given, matrix row pattern matching. So we just need to match the pattern of matrix with the given string. Yeah, here they have given a string of the size of same as the row size of the matrix, and each row contains number of elements, like it has a number of columns. So we just need to match the pattern in the given order. Like here they have given A B A C B, so we can assume this is A, and this is B, and this is A, and this is C, and this is B. A, B, A, C, B. So it should be matching. Here the value for A is 2883, and it should be repeated wherever the A occurs. Here also 2883, and value for B is 6872. Here also 6872, and the value for C is 9634. So it's matching, right? So we can print S. But in this case, here this is a GG, HG, HK, G, G, H, G, H, K. Here the value for G is matching here, here also matching. So let me put the G, G, H, G, H, K. Here G matching all the three places with the same value, and H also matches with the places 60, 70, 99, 60, 70, 90, 99. Here the value for K is same as the value for G, so it's not matching, right? It should be a unique value for K. So the pattern is mismatched, so we just need to print no. So let's say in a programmatical way. First we just need to get the input parts of R and C. Map of in comma input. Those values are space separator. So I'm splitting all those values and typecasting into integer values. Now it's time to get the matrix. Matrix equal to input dot, not this time as a, I'm not going to get every element as a separate components. I'm just going to get all those values as a string, so we can easily match all those values, right? So to get rid of escape cases, I'm using strip, and this should be repeated for R times, so then only it can make the R column matrix, right? For I in range of R. So we all get the matrix values. Now it's time to get the string, and the name they have given for the string is P. So I'm using the same input dot strip. For we just need to match all those values, right? So for storing the values, we just need a custom array, right? Array of A should contains 2883, and array of B should contains 6272, right? So for that we have a property or method or data type called dictionary in Python and hash in Java. dictionary, dictionary equal to dic of. The reason why I specify or pronounce the word in low volume, you get that, right? While pronouncing that you will get something that's 18 plus. Okay. Dictionary equal to empty dictionary for I in range of R. So it should be the row size and also the size of P, right? I didn't get that. Why they are using the values like this? Here they are saying something called the PP and here they are using dick. That's embarrassing. So I'm going with the value string. If I not in dictionary dot keys, we can store the value, right? Dictionary of I, no, not I, string of I. Dictionary of string of I is equal to the matrix I. So the reason why we are specifying string of I is just to store the character, not the index, right? So we don't need the value like dictionary of 0 equal to matrix. We just need the value dictionary of A equal to something. That's why we are specifying string here. Else it's a repeated value, so we just need to check dictionary. For checking we just need a condition, right? So elif dictionary of string of I is not equal to matrix of I. We just need to put the flag value equal to no. By default the flag values should be something like this, flag equal to yes, and at the same time we are going to break the loop, because if the condition fails there is no meaning of iterating the values, right? Finally we just need to print the flag. So if I run this, it should work, I guess. Okay, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 4, 1 2 3 4, 0 0 0 0, 1 2 3 4, 0 0 0 0, 1 3 5 7, and the string pattern is A B A B C. It's matching, so it's right. So let me check for the mismatch case. I'm just specifying C B here, so we are getting no. So it's working fine, but we are still missing some condition here. That's nothing but if I specify CB and I am putting the value 0 0 0 0 here, since this 0 0 0 is occupied by the value B, but it is still assignable for C also. Sorry for that. So we are still getting yes, but in this case we should get no, because this value can be assigned to the value C because it's registered for B, right? So to get rid of that test case, we are going to make one more condition here. If matrix of I not in dictionary dot values, store this. If that value is already used or already present, it's a false condition, right? Flag equal to no and break the loop. So if we do that, it will say no here because this 00 is registered for B and we can't able to assign the value for C. So that makes sense, right? That's it guys, that's it for today's video. Here this is the code for review. Hope you really understood what we are doing here and more of our. Hope you like and enjoy this video. See you soon with something else tomorrow. Until then, bye.